Yo, what's good YouTube? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Zeem the Dream. As you guys know by the title, y'all already know what I'm about to do right now. I'm about to be unboxing this iPhone 11 and I'm going to be giving you guys my first impressions on the phone, as well as showing you guys a case that I got for the phone. This is a pretty huge upgrade for me. Really, before the video even gets started, make sure you guys drop a like below and subscribe to the channel. And without further ado, let's just get right into it. Get thick. Yeah. Alright y'all, so a little backstory on the phone that I had before I got this phone. I had the iPhone 7 in gold. I actually traded in that phone so that would help with the price of this phone. I did this transaction all at the Apple store. And yeah, this is all that I have left of that phone. Just a clear case. But yeah, that was my phone, you feel me? I didn't really want a new phone at all. Like, I was fine with it, but I've had that phone for over 2 years. The mic just broke on me out of nowhere. I couldn't call anybody. I couldn't make videos with audio, like on Snapchat, Instagram, none of that. I couldn't voice record. I couldn't use Shazam. Can't use anything without the mic. The speaker might work, but if the microphone's not working, you can't do any of that talk pretty much. So it was a real pain in the butt. Luckily, I had some Bluetooth earphones that I would be using, and those would work some of the time. So that's how I was getting by for a few months. I was really fortunate to get an upgrade and get an iPhone 11, y'all. So let's check out what's inside the box. Obviously, you have the phone, but I already took it out because I need to get it set up at the Apple store. I wanted to make sure that everything was transferred and set up in the store because I wasn't leaving that store until I had everything good to go. Paid so much for that phone, you feel me? I wanted to make sure everything was nice. So here's what it looks like in the front. It's product red, obviously. You open it up and they have the phone on top. Like I told you, I took it out. And then this is at the front. It's just like the cover. And then you open it up and then it actually comes with like some Apple stickers and just some other useful stuff for getting your phone started. It comes with the SIM card opener, so I think that's actually super useful. I never knew they had this. You got everything set up in the store, so I don't really even need that. And then you go further in. So you go further in and it comes with earphones, you know, all of the typical stuff. Really, for as much as you're paying, you should just get AirPods, but you know, regular earphones, I guess those would do. And then the rest of the stuff, it just comes with the charger, the plug, all of that. So that's pretty much everything that comes inside the box. Then of course, you have the main thing that everybody cares about. You have the iPhone 11 and just, y'all, honestly, oh my gosh. This phone is just so beautiful, to be honest. I really just like how it feels just holding it. Usually I always just want a case for it. It just feels nice to hold in the hand. And I'll show you the case that I have for it right now. But honestly, I just like holding it in the hand and just having it like this. And I really just like the red color. It really pops and goes with the black. One thing that I could tell you guys about the facial recognition is it works super quick. I'm so used to touching the button on the iPhone 7 that I didn't really know how I was gonna adjust to the facial recognition, but it's super quick. It works at nighttime. Like, I was shocked. I was testing it with my dad and stuff like that. It recognizes your face in the darkness, all of that stuff. And that's just new to me. I know like the previous phones could do that, but that's just new to me coming from a 7. I wasn't really expecting a new phone for a while. Even though I had it for over 2 years, I was fine with it. But obviously like the mic issues and all of that, but I almost dropped my baby. If you're coming from like a 7 or a 6S or even like the 8, the screen is just so full. You're not gonna be worried about the button, the Touch ID. Like, it's just so much better and a lot fuller. When you're looking at it, there's just so much to capture on the screen. So just a quick hands-on so you guys could see. This is how it looks. You guys can even see me in the reflection of the phone, but this is how it looks hands-on. And there's me again. And when you turn it on, it's like that. And then if I just unlock it, it's unlocked and I can swipe up. Like I said, they did everything in the store for me, so I was able to get the phone ready to go before I left. And I was transferring in my old phone, so I kind of had to take everything and transfer it over in the store. So yeah, everything's all nice and set up. And that's pretty much how it looks. I'm not even used to like the controls being up here. I usually swiped up. And like I said, this is just the regular 11 and it's still like a pretty big phone. So Yeah, super dope, and I like it a lot. So this is the case that I got for the phone. It's just a regular Otterbox black case, and I really like it a lot. It's like the double layer, obviously. So it just comes apart like this, and I'm gonna put this on so you guys can see it on the phone. So this is how it fits, as you can tell, and this is the front. I need to get a screen protector for this phone ASAP, but this is how it looks. This is my screensaver, and then you just have the facial recognition, and you can swipe up easily. It's super nice. I really like the case a lot. All of the buttons are super easy to press. Like, you're not gonna have to worry about like if it's like too rough. It's super easy. It has like a little protector for your charger. You have the cuts for the speaker. Because of the great camera quality, I'm also gonna be using this as a vlogging camera for my future videos, like when I wanna bounce from the camera that I'm using right now and this phone. One thing that I will say is I really do like the way this case looks, but at the same time, like, since I got the red color, I might just get a clear case, a clear Otterbox, and just show like the whole back of it, because that's the whole point of having like a colored phone, you feel me? And I was gonna get it at the store, but they all sold out of the clear ones, so I just went with my natural black that I always get. Definitely recommend like an Otterbox or some protective case, because you want to be safe if you drop your phone, you feel me?